So today we're going to be making this 3-colour triangle paracord keychain. You need 3 bits of cord. They're all 2 feet long. I've joined 2 together in the middle, and you need a split ring. Now, everything in the video you can get on the Amazon links in the description below. First of all, I'm going to get the single cord and the split ring, and all I'm going to do is poke it up through there like that. Now this piece here is roughly the length that I want the keychain. Now you can make it longer, you can make it shorter, it doesn't matter, but basically this piece here is going to go up the middle of the keychain. Okay, now you get your other pieces of cord that you joined in the middle and you lay it on top of that blue cord like that. Okay, now what you do, you get the red cord. I'm pinching everything together like that. You get the red cord, it goes round this centerpiece and over the white cord like that. The white cord goes over the red, over the blue, like that, and the blue cord goes down through that hole like that, and then all you do, slowly and carefully, this is the worst part of the keychain, is you tighten everything up. You're just pulling on the 3 cords. So you should get something like this. So once you've got everything nice and tight, all you do is go back the other way. So the red cord goes over the blue goes over the red on white, and the white goes over the blue and down through that red hole like that. And tighten it up again. It is a little bit fiddly, especially to get everything nice and tight, but keep going and you should end up with something like that. And then all you do is go, I'm going anti-clockwise next, then clockwise, all the way down till you get past the center cord here. So I'll do that and see you in a little while. Right, so you can see the pattern coming through, and if you're enjoying the video, if it's helpful, don't forget to give us a like and also hit the hype button. The hype button lets YouTube know that this video is worth watching and it pushes it to more people. So like, hype, and I'll see you at the end. So I got to the top of the keychain, and as you can see, we've got a nice triangle going on. Now I could just snip and singe these bits here, but it's actually really hard to singe into this knot here. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to tie some wall knots. Now, throughout the video, we've been tying crown knots where we've been putting the cords on top of the other. A wall knot is where the cord goes underneath. So the white is going to go underneath the red, like that. The red, whoops, is going to go underneath the white and the blue, like that. And the blue is going underneath the red and up through that white hole like that, and then we tighten it up and it looks a bit better, and it kind of doubles everything up as well. So now I'm going to snip and singe in these bits here. And there you go, that is a triangle keychain. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the video up there, and I'll see you in the next one.